This is a recipe for all my friends who don't like to cook, okay? This is made in a slow cooker. It's super easy and minimal prep time. So you're gonna chop up all your veggies. So we're adding in some roughly chopped sweet onion. We're gonna add in some carrots. I cut them on a bias to make it look fancy. Some Yukon Gold potatoes. These are the elite potatoes, okay? I don't wanna hear otherwise. Nothing beats a Yukon Gold potato. And then we're gonna add in some sliced garlic. I just did this all roughly. This is some cubed up seitan. This is gonna be our vegan beef. I will tag the one that I used down below in the description box. If you don't wanna use seitan, I have suggestions for you in the blog post. We're gonna add in some low sodium soy sauce. We're gonna add in balsamic vinegar because I don't use any red wine in this recipe, and this kind of adds that same effect. We're gonna add in some tomato paste, or you can use tomato sauce if you don't have tomato paste. Then we're gonna add in some organic sugar just to add in a little bit of sweetness. And we're gonna add in some better than bouillon that I mixed with water. If you wanna use vegetable broth, you could do that too. Either way works, but I do love the better than bouillon. It has a really nice flavor. Add in some bay leaves and dried rosemary. And then finally, we're gonna add in like a sprig of thyme. And that is it. Everything is gonna get mixed together now. And that's it, you're done. So easy. See, so you're just gonna pop the top on and you're gonna cook this on high for 2.5 hours. So after 2.5 hours, it should look something like this. You can see everything is getting soft. We have a flour slurry here, so we just mix some flour and water together. This is gonna help thicken everything up. Mix it all together and then cook it on high for another hour. And that is pretty much it. After it's done cooking, you're done. It's easy, it's delicious. Of course, make sure to remove your bay leaves and your thyme stems. The little leaves of thyme will fall off, but make sure you kick the stem out. Give it a taste, add any salt and pepper as you feel necessary. And that's it, you have this stew. It's done, it's easy, it's delicious. It's perfect for cold nights and it's great for meal prep. You can pair this with pretty much anything you like. I, of course, love to have some crusty bread on the side with this for dipping. So good. And you could always add in more vegetables if you like. Again, the blog post covers like everything for how to customize this, but I just love that this meal is so easy to make, but the flavor is so good and it really takes on that stew flavor that you just you love it. It's so good, you know, like it's just cozy, comforting, nostalgic. And that's it. I plated up. I had a little bit of fresh thyme on top. You could add some fresh parsley if you like. And now you're done. Now you have this delicious meal to enjoy and everyone's going to think you are a master chef. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye.